Holy crap.
I think electric line's down and it's sparking. I think.
I'll let you out if you want to film here. You want to film?
You can see all those trees down there from the tornado. Sign completely bent over from the wind. That wasn't from a car. You can see the barn
Completely gone.
completely gone. Look at the
Okay, that's right across the street from where we were.
right across the street from where we were sitting in a camp. That's the barn completely gone.
There was 3 pine trees on the right side of that house.
Yeah.
Completely gone.
Used to be 3 pines on the other side of that house.
Look at this fence row. Right there's the pine tree that went below. Now look at this fence row.
You can see every single tree is uprooted pretty much down through there.
Look here's the barrel out of the field.
Random barrel. Hey guys, you just saw that clip over there from the morning. It's still only 7:40, and when we were sitting over there, we could hear a bird up on this ridge over here gobbling his head off. So we just saw that hen, as you saw from the video. She came in on us. I could have killed her, but spring gobbler season, of course. So we're going over there here to this bird. Hopefully we can get him killed. Maybe we'll get the shot on film. If not, we'll get the camera back out if we get him.
Well, we didn't get any video, but we just worked this one long and hard, and Ross got one. He just ran over. He's standing on it. Bring him over. What? You gotta be kidding me. Well, we have it on video, so if anybody said anything, the legal bird when you shot him. Here, hold on, I'll come over, we'll tag him over there.
Hey guys, here you can see, we're here with my bird. Now I know in the last clip we said we were heading over to the ridge because we heard a bird. And really, that should be the bird we're standing over now, but we thought he was a ridge over in another hollow, and we spooked him trying to get to him. Happens when you're turkey hunting. We decided to come back over here to the mountain where we were this morning, where those hens were, because I thought I'd heard some back in here behind these fields. We walked the whole way out across this mountain, and we hadn't really been hearing much. We were thinking we should have stayed on the ridge. And we had gobblers answer way far away down in these fields. Sounded like a couple of jakes. So we came, I don't know, it came like 150, 200 yards closer towards them, set up and called. And we heard them, but they're still 350, 400 yards away. So we decided to try and get closer, and we spooked a bird on the way there. It might have been this bird, I don't know. It was a big longbeard. He was coming in silently in front of those jakes. So now we are really disappointed because that's the second bird of the day we'd screwed up. And we were really disappointed, but we thought those birds down in the field, we still had a chance to call them. So we just came to where we spooked the bird, sat down, and decided to be quiet and sit it out. And I don't know, this bird just gobbled out of nowhere about 40 minutes after sitting down. Called them twice, and he was in range. I shot him at probably 40 yards, 45 yards. 3.5 inch Remington 870. Big thanks to my pap for letting me use it. And really weird, but his beard actually fell out when I shot him. When I went over, it was laying on the ground, but yeah, that's no jake. That's a good 9-inch beard, probably. Really nice bird. So I give all the glory to the Lord. Thank him so much. And yeah. So here, I'll show you guys this fan. Real nice bird. Pretty good spurs on him. Inch spurs. Probably, there's my finger. Real nice spurs. So there he is. I couldn't be happier with him. And big thanks to Frank for letting me come down here and hunt on his place too. I'm very thankful. See you guys next time. All right, we're just heading out of the woods with my bird. We look right down here on the power line. Little box turtle. Must just be coming out of hibernation.
Always good luck.
Always good. We always find box turtles here. It normally means good luck. Just a little guy. So, always cool to find box turtles. So we'll let him go. Get back to what he was doing. So,
Long walk.
Long walk. Hey guys, here we are back at the house. I already got the bird and everything, and boy, it's been a crazy weekend. Yesterday was Friday, and we didn't have school because it's Good Friday. We went out fishing. And I caught about a 4-pounder. I'll put a picture in right here. Really good fish. Really had a great time. Thanks Jason Haney for taking us out. And then yesterday we drove down to Frank's to get set up to go turkey hunting. And we actually set up a blind on where we thought the birds were going to be coming. And as you can see from the clips, a tornado came, like a legitimate tornado. We don't have our blind. We still don't know where it's at. It blew it off. It's crazy. As you can see, the barn across the street got blown to bits, and very lucky to be alive. The tornado went on both sides of us, and we were just in a little hunting camp, so I'm very thankful. And then to go out and get a bird the next morning, it's crazy. And as you can see, I'm dressed up. I'm about to go to my aunt's tomorrow's Easter, and so just thank the Lord. Without him, I wouldn't be able to do any of this, and I give him all the glory, and not much else to say. See you guys next time.